It's me, Red Brick, and I'm going to be doing this new, this riding thing, new Lego cars that you've seen here. So let's ride it now. Okay, nothing really fell off except for this piece, which kind of came a little bit, came a little bit undone. Overall, good. Okay. So, I'm going to turn this more towards here so you guys can see. Okay. Ready? Ooh. Yeah, that thing fell right there and scraped this piece. Okay. Do this again. I'm going to be doing this one more time and I'm going to put a ramp. Okay, that did fall really good. Okay, here's my Lego ramp. Obviously, it's a Lego channel, so why not also have a Lego ramp? Oh, that did a flip. So that did a cool flip. Actually, gonna point it more towards here so that you guys can see what happens. Okay. Okay, so that did a few flips. Do this again. That fell on its side and scraped a little bit of the sticker. Not that bad though. Okay, that did pretty good. This cage, ooh, I lost one of the studs. Okay. One of my studs has disappeared, and I gotta find it. Hey, you know what, never mind. I'll find another, I'll get another one. Okay. Well, that didn't even go up the ramp. Ooh, that's still on its wheels. That was cool. Now, that was like probably the best one I've done. Okay, now for a new one. I'm going to be taking this thing to my laptop down here so you guys can see it go down the steps. So hopefully you guys can see me right here. Hi. Yeah. Okay, it's going to be going down the steps, then I'm going to use this ramp. Right here. Okay, guys, ready? There. Oh, sweet. Okay, that was cool. Do it again. Whoa! That didn't even go down all the steps. Ooh. Yeah, a whole piece fell off right there. Yeah. Gotta put that back right now. Okay. There we go. I've done some pretty good I've been beating this up so good that these pieces always fall off. So I beat this thing up pretty good. So these pieces don't stick together that well anymore. But still fun to be able to ride it down. That's pretty fun. Okay. This again. Oh, I went off by the side. Oh. And on that one, I thought it would be still on its wheels. Roll 4 hinges. What? Oh. Oh, you landed on its wheels. Okay, that was good. Okay. Oh. Okay, that piece broke off. I don't recommend for some of you guys to be doing this because this is gonna kind of ruin your car. But I have to say, I really like doing it, so I guess that's what this is for. I just gotta put that. There you go. Oh. Okay, God, that was fun. I'll see you guys later.